fox.
What about Swiper the fox?
They're going to take my toy.
Gonna take your
toys?
Yeah.
No.
They're going to take my toy.
Not
Why?
if I have anything to do with it. Where is he? I'll make sure he doesn't.
Over there.
Right there?
Yeah.
Right. Shh. Let's do it together. 1,
2,
2,
3.
3. Swiper! No swiping! Yeah, we got him.
Be coming, Daddy.
You did?
Yeah.
Where did he go?
Oh, right there.
No, he went away.
It went away.
He went away?
Yeah.
He's not going to take your toys?
No, Daddy.
No?
I didn't tickle.
That's
What?
right.
You got rid of him?
Tickle, no tickle. We did it. We taught him.
We did it. We stopped him. You're very good at it now. Uh-oh.
Daddy.
Savannah, what's that sound?
Daddy.
Can I have the thermometer back?
No, Daddy.
Why not?
Hello?
I don't want you to break it. Come back here.
Yes, it is.
Tickle, no
Good.
tickle.
I'm actually in the middle of dinner.
No tickle.
Can you give me a call back tomorrow?
Yeah? Can I-
afternoon.
can I have-
I mean,
How do you take your
morning.
temperature? Show me how you take your temperature.
All right, thank you so much. Have a good evening. Bye-bye.